Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed your map making. I love that bit of making up a story. It's one of my favourite bits. We're going to move on to sensational senses. So when you use the senses in your writing, it really helps to bring the words to life and the images and the place to life for your reader. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a spot on our map. So I'm going to look at my Ellen's Island map. And I'm going to choose my lighthouse. That's where I'm going to be. I'm going to close my eyes and imagine that I'm in the lighthouse. Yep. Then when I'm there, I'm going to think about what I can see, what I can hear, what I can smell, what I can taste, and also, if I put my hand out, what I'd be able to touch. And I'm going to write a list of those things down. Now, don't forget, think about things that might be far away from you and also things that are up close. Think about lots and lots of small details as well. Small things are often overlooked by people and they're really interesting to include in stories. And also big things. Don't forget to look up and look down. And it might be very, very different if it's in the night that you're imagining being there or in the day. So a lighthouse would be very different in the night to perhaps at dinner time, for example. So you might want to make two lists. So lots and lots of senses. So you've got lots and lots of colourful and interesting words to use again. Good luck. Hope you enjoy it.